Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 16 in geometry, basic constructions. And in this chapter today I will explain you how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. So children, first you have to draw a line segment of, you can take any measurement. Draw a line segment and mark as A, B. Then with A as center, this is C, with A as center and radius more than half of length AB, draw two arcs, one above the line AB and one below the line AB. And with the same radius and B as center, cut these two arcs which you have drawn above the line AB and below the line AB. Mark the points of intersection as P and Q. Join these 2 points P and Q to cut AB at point M. Now children, this PQ is perpendicular to AB. We can write like this: PQ is perpendicular to AB. If you will measure AM and MB, they will be of same measurements. That means AM is equal to MB and angle AMP is equal to angle PMB, that is 90 degree each. Construction is to draw a perpendicular to a given line. Again we have to draw a perpendicular to a given line and at a point on the line. That means first you have to draw a line. You can take any measurement, children. Mark here A and B. This is the line segment. Now you have to take any point. At a point we have to draw a perpendicular at a point on the line. So you take any point on the line and mark it as P. Now with P as center and any suitable radius, draw an arc to cut the line AB. C. With P as center and any suitable radius, draw an arc to cut the line AB. Mark here as MN. With M and N as center, see this, with M and N as center and radius more than half of MN, draw two arcs. We can take radius more than half of the radius, draw two arcs to intersect at Q. Draw two arcs to intersect at Q. Now join PQ. Mark here Q. Now join this PQ. The ray PQ is perpendicular to AB at point P. Now we can write here PQ is perpendicular to AB at point P. The third construction, children, to draw a perpendicular to a given line from a point outside the line. Now we have to draw perpendicular to a line and now we will take a point outside the line. For this also children, first of all we will draw a line segment. Any measurement you can take children. A and B. Now take any point outside the line. So I have taken here a point P, this point outside the line. Mark it as P. Now with P as center, see here, with P as center and any suitable radius, see here, and any suitable radius, what you have to do, draw an arc to cut the line AB. See here, draw an arc to cut the line AB at X and Y. This is X and this point is Y. Now with X and Y as center, see here, this is X with X and this one is Y. With X and Y as center and radius more than half of XY, draw two arcs to intersect at each other. This I have drawn with the X as center, and this I will draw another arc. You can see here, X and Y, draw two arcs to intersect each other at point M. Now join PM see here, this is the point P, join PM. Now PM is perpendicular to AB. So children, these are the three construction. One, to draw a perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. Another one, to draw a perpendicular to a given line at a point on the line. Here we have taken a point on the line, and with P as center, we have drawn an arc. With M and N as center, we have drawn arcs to cut at a point O. Then we have joined Q and P. So QP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. And another one perpendicular to a given line from a point outside the line. Here we have taken a point outside the line. This is a line segment AB. And a point we have taken outside the line. With P as center and any suitable radius, we have drawn arc to cut AB at X and Y. Now with X and Y as center and radius more than half of the length we have taken, and we have drawn arcs to intersect each other at point M. Now we have joined P and M. That means PM is the perpendicular to AB. Watch this video children very carefully, and you have to draw all these three constructions in your copy. Thank you.